What is wrong with you village boys standing along the road?
What is wrong with you cities girl? Driving like a stupid fellow. Does this look like an expressway?
Don't you dare touch me like that again. Else I will slap you across the face. I'll give you one.
You gave me. Open your mouth.
Her grandmother is a fighter, troublemaker. See, if the grandmother decides to deal with you, before Dogu will come down to you, you'll be left with nothing.
Now you want me to bless their union. After what you did to me, I will not.
Friends have connecting time, we have disconnecting time. Now is the time to disconnect. Go home, I want to go and sleep. Hey! No! Somebody else! Please don't kill me, please. I beg you, don't kill me, please. What have I done? Quiet!
Let nobody hold me!
No. How dare you? Did you hear what she just called me? Are you nuts? No, let her. Have you gone crazy? Walk away!
Why did you do it?
Why are you acting as if you're not a man?
I'll tell Nneka the kind of friend you are.
Anything when you say they do for this village, good. Na me. Bad na me. As of me. Detective Okoro. I'm not a combo.
Oh, come here. Come here.
I'm yet to understand who is behind this. Oh boy,
Are you okay?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.